hapa. Fair Play Entertainment Center. Benjini ku.
Ndibone.
Unishare nditozondoifara.
Ani aingaita sound.
Idoita.
Andinotunze volo. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
When could me this?
Hi guys, welcome back to the Black Couch Diaries, episode number, where are we? 14? 15? Okay, it doesn't really matter, but we hope you guys are okay. Why do you come? Sorry.
They mute. Follow me, Muzaga. I kufunguze. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to the.
Anyways, guys, welcome to the Black Couch Diaries again.
Yeah, episode number 13. The 13th?
That's 14.
Oh, 14. Yeah, 7. So, yeah, this episode is also sponsored by Fair Play Entertainment Center. So, the gig at the venue allowed to change it. Ono bana line ponza.
No, how to edwa mutu richero indera uchi ediwa mutu wa 31. Yeah, and that's it.
So for state one kadibana ovi.
Ropo manyaga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so yeah. Above me. Fair Play ikadibana nge kuvi Benjini. Namsindo jamba zwo neti.
Nano mean last time.
Benjini.
Ndiyo ne Benjini.
Okay. And then yeah, ndikuvi. And it's also not just a club guys. Nia Diana wanazulewa, ufuna restaurant, and I mean. Chiri una chef nechi.
Yeah, during the day I think. Ona late ninga order. Yeah, I don't you ended up sick about it.
Njo groove.
Yeah.
Like you need to veranda kana ona.
No, she told us something like Nico and then you order a platter or something.
Okay, and then we're still coming at you live from the Blueprint Studios. If you want to contact them, their address is like 42 Mele Street, Bramfontein. And then for any inquiries, contact them 08293666317. So yeah, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm all good. Maybe
you slept early. You're Ramba Sunday.
Oh.
Nichurungubara. No, but a gown.
Namsila Braru.
And come back. Oh, you Nendika defendoneta nyana. Like, I'm still very tired. Any man will be early, so.
To be early. Okay, you know why early. Nashika late. And that's why late. Nashika early. Let's come make a sense. Automato wapa after Mosika and then kwa Jobeg over to the
happened. Rob very pedo. Uncle Fauzi Dajliwa. This guy gave me yo guys, I really don't remember. When we go to my place it was like at 5:30 in the morning. And I thought to watch my R&B session enough before we got into the house.
I'll go make up for people's.
Oh yeah, kinda. Marasko imba the people's to body.
Achimber B. One over the Gotera.
Yeah, Wimba. I think we don't have enough voice here, R&B.
He just sings. I think Anna genre. Yeah. Okay, so here's the thing, before we go anywhere. This other guy sent a message in the car. Could be like 3 weeks, if not 4. Akwamba, like he sent a message to the Black Couch. That I shoot and so bad.
Okay.
So I'm going to prepare. I was like, you know what? This is the message. Let me read this thing. So it says, Dear Kingsley, Mudau and the Black Couch, I hope this letter finds you well. It's actually a letter.
Okay.
I wanted to take a moment to express my deep appreciation for the incredible podcast you have been producing. It has truly been a game changer in my learning journey, providing me with invaluable insights from diverse range of individuals.
No. It's not giving. Just go on, but it's okay.
It's giving Ghana.
It's a safe space, yeah. No, it's giving Zimbabwe. It's giving Zimbabwe.
And then, yeah.
Footy.
Yep. Very good to one ring and run.
No, I need it in front of you.
Michael hapa. Mara una voice ya muna remember.
Exactly. So ndimenda kufunga.
Mara isha hapo shin.
Really?
Let me continue. So your podcast has been instrumental in helping me expand my knowledge and understanding of various topics. Each episode is thoughtfully crafted, and I am constantly amazed by the depth and breadth of conversation you facilitate. Through your podcast, I have had opportunity to learn from experts, professionals, and individuals with unique perspective, all from whom have enriched my understanding of the world. Yeah, I'm blind. I watch your score. Yes, that's a good podcast. Yeah, so and then one of the things I found most remarkable about your podcast is the way you create a safe and inclusive space for your guests to share their stories and expertise. A lot of people have said this.
Nah.
The authenticity and vulnerability displayed by your guests is truly inspiring, and it allows me to connect with their experiences on a deeper level. It is through these personal stories and insights that I am able to learn and grow as an individual. I have found myself eagerly anticipating each new episode, as I know that it will provide me with fresh perspective or introduce me to a new field of study. Your podcast has been an essential part of my learning routine, and I cannot thank you enough for the time and effort you put in creating each episode. As I continue to listen to... let me go into Inthapan. Yeah, last slide. As I continue to listen and learn from your podcast, I find myself wondering about the process behind the scenes. How do you select your guest? What criteria do you use to determine the topics you discuss? I would love to hear more about the behind-the-scenes aspect of your podcast and how you go about curating such enriching content. Once again, thank you for the incredible work you do. Your podcast has been a source of inspiration, knowledge, personal growth for me, and I'm deeply grateful and eagerly look forward to each new episode and the opportunities for learning and discovering it brings. Keep up the fantastic work. Regards, Libago Marubini. Woo! I'm glad.
So much. And then I GPT. I wasn't gonna write that on my
Yeah,
own.
if now I was so need those on
GPT. Mara hezo skofana.
Yeah,
So who did the insight here? What happens?
I don't think it means now or she.
No, like I know, but I'm just saying that's what he's saying.
Is Libago Marubini a he or a she?
Sounds like a he to me.
Okay, because the thing is the profile.
Mara there's a Marubini Yamfumagad, so I don't know.
Yeah, but then whatever it is.
Profile yawe ngosumeza chinape.
Ingwana. And then abana.
Can always let watu wani babe profile picture wa growing. But anyways, thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks a lot. It really means feedback also to not banana this was criticism and then now there to suggest that has the was and line in WhatsApp also. This guy sent it to Facebook or sent a TikTok.
Really?
Because then couldn't go reply.
He means business.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So a bit dish and this about how you went home late and all that.
No, yeah.
How was the event to you?
The event was amazing.
Right.
I had not had that much fun in a while. Like, it was...
When was the day?
I don't know. Fun? And I like, okay, but personally, Instagram. So it literally felt like no feed. Instagram feed. And
scroll. 2 likes, 32, 1,600.
You know? So it was a very beautiful experience. And I just feel like because of it almost felt like we're one thing. It was so nice, man. The setup was amazing.
It was really nice.
Who was your favorite performance?
Hey. Fistosvalley.
No, not Fistosvalley.
I even told him before.
What he did on Saturday. What he did on Saturday, I know, exceptional. Oh, road manager. It's not good.
To make a show.
No, but I teach him my ding. I'm going to take a very modern the cake.
No, that
was amazing.
Yeah, that was a huge gig.
I know the pin,
blind.
Out for now.
But what was the Mpo Ugai? You know, Gore, I deserve Zashango.
Damn. No, money.
Okay. I think Juliet came and is like, okay, Mpo.
Juliet, okay, one of the people that watch the
yeah, them. So she was like, okay, Mpo, and therefore in Chile, I'm going to pin. It is Zashango. All about that, I'm Trambaro, Chutucha.
Wanani. Yes, Wanani. Just do Juliet. I know her. Hey, but okay.
Yeah.
Hey, oh, yeah, guy. how good difference. Chira titi wa sofa.
Hey.
Hey.
Riche gonya
Next
ra.
time the komlo ruve na masofa no gonya ya ngori sorry.
Zawukuma.
Ninga titi zoro 30.
Nothing to swa. Lumna.
Ndizo ndino fani ko tape wadi chipo ndisa ndasichemese zero complain.
And then, you know, before ndichambe zvimwe zvabhedhi zvendazviona ti. Ndakonya kumbura, ngotangana vacho, like ndopedza ndambara, cause ndichisvika ndazvambara mangirasi. Mana ndobva na mangirasi black to make sure auna mtu unombona. If zvasvika to a point ine utakozwa, ndiyashaona blind. Auna mtu unochinovhara nane. Then matokozwa, vari mini na, vo Kingsley, vakoshuma. Ndari agaye mangirasi. Ndambara. Hoyo avakwana ambara mukona. Zamwe vatu vakobona ne through mukona. Ndamukombejeza neuri kambare. Ndiapa. Vangopedza vachikopira and then Juliet achida wanani wawo odana mumwe musidzana so avakori hoyu ndindu nditanga ndera chiri ndine ndoone mwe hagala kubva mukono relanga vangamudiwa
vandau Mara okay, vone vurikuva vurengalini voruvula
avala vuruku blind
blind already busha
those parents novurenga same day ndoivorndoiforndolembara masiyari futi
ndatokuvuta
shembavada ndotomanichambara zvinhu zvaskin yativa
it looks good on you and also that's the new thing big events are like the new thing so get used to it cool kid
ndingasiyetavaringalo
ona zvonodhara Venda zvinozvilasto
then I'll try it out.
So it was beautiful and I feel like people really came through.
I saw your friends. I saw a lot of people also on Instagram.
What your number? I saw your cute friends. They're cute guys. I love friends.
I love tea. Who's the other one? Magomati. Asio, ula bread is around the Matiko.
Obviously, she's not Venda even.
In order into.
I don't know again.
Hopefully, to be message. Ncheke kai message hapo. Unaland chibusuru ulantu arina gregendinyi. This is Muraro Magom.
Boy.
Okay, it's fine.
No, niapenga ini. There was a Nani, Masindi, Tanya. Who else? No, Nataki. No one Vitaki, yes. Maybe no boneni. No bonataki. She had like curly hair.
I don't remember kill. But then it's fine. It is she got in and around 8 after 8 and
right before me.
Sikana no magara odzura otobukwa tafura so nazora amajita odoshuma odoskautiwa fono vana vahuluma vana vavenda vamwedera
vachipedza navavona vokutona vatu mara
otodasidzana nyana zvila
zvikori todzodzi istropes
mara akuna black vana vavenda zvina vatambi
varengera black
vone vana vakuna dziblack zvivadzana vorengerwa mini so but then
must be hard.
What do you feel about those things? Unarenga mabodera this one as the cricketing. Nadaranga zazo.
Ne asho anozo asho bazikudana zicricket. Mara I don't mind, just not me.
Okay.
Tunyangobadeliwa ti.
Okay.
Bewo tafula bewo yana zicricket.
Asi tafula cricket Red Bull kuya the cricket.
Ne right shem. Nanne lazo da hai. Tuja 28 rand ashika the cricket.
Inne round tumuzi.
Ndize.
Marangori nanodzana mugreg. Nanyi kuzori nanodzura nabonyi nkonwa guy. Ndosiko fani kwambela dwanga sendiri Black Couch ngobadira billion.
Black Couch ngobia yari. Ofa billion udi mgairi mbadere.
Kantu wabora ka VIP wabora ti.
Okay. Not VIP.
Asna VIP mara awala tumundzura ka VIP on normal base. Bawa ko bore yati.
No. Neti ndotendori zvitobva ka uri vioni vatu vahani because if I was to take the same table and take it to VIP, we are not going to change. We're going to do the same thing. Like, we are like that everywhere.
No, I'm saying that because there's woman and Cheza. I was running gay. But then I was the car in there.
No, I guess she just likes us because it's not because I don't
That was my first time seeing her also live.
No, my event is attended and there VIP, but it's always late. So I guess. Zvitobva group yang ari inotowanikwa yo vanhu kotongera. It's okay, you can just go there and chill and be the classy ladies. So remember the dipina ngori
was not votonga washa
zvino wine koroboko borodzura
no ndikotambo no ufebona vinyi voskero aparina rona chachione
arona ndachibona think again my heart vadzana ndovabona ana hayabona vo events and then who else I want a group never hala man ndovabona yana vanhu
na Ravheka
Hey, no number mazaza. I'm just so to watch you over Ravheka. I was worried. No.
Ravheka is opera guy. Opera go, Rico Chinanta sofa. You like what it's Ravheka go pira pale.
Yeah, opera is wrong about. I didn't see her.
Yeah, so and then Fistosvalley was the way I want to buy him because of that. Maybe in Woodza. Yeah, in Woodza mean. Maybe the story were different.
I think Guzba had another gig.
Was Guzba supposed to be there?
Yeah.
How's your kind tomorrow? How to go to perform?
How would you perform?
I see your kind.
Really? Comes the one another day before. I don't know, Maranendo Gumash could you order and then I gig and it on Limpopo, so it was just gonna be like a mess. So obviously you had to choose that side.
Yeah, Guzba was here. Mtazongo down the anatum and the root kid na post.
Of which I don't understand what root kid you have. How's you know? People say understand, I'm sure I could have a Venda. Ula.
Rookie do the job again.
No shoot a guy. No shoot a Venda.
What fuck?
No, I'm just asking. I don't shoot a Venda Carbodzio. Team, no, I Venda, no shoot a rookie. So where does he stay? How? Hatakariwa, Uzra guy. Archive Uzra guy.
Oh, no, endorsement, yeah, Munati chicken.
Ulangamara. Damn.
Okuza the sauce.
Ungatama umngana wa rookie.
Oh, Maria, ufint. Also, go what one mix up between root kid and Sten. And then, yeah, Rapeda.
Root kid nani?
That's not this Sten.
Who's that?
Manager, wow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I don't know who that is.
Susu Nerangazu disclose for now.
Yeah.
But the discuss one van. And then, Rich Kamba, a bit this and this. Now, the number one convention on Kalifi, Elena Runoja, and Fistosvalley. We come both, hey, then one is no gate. And I join enough and some for a story square, even though rings on video, man.
Ne?
Hey.
What guys so?
Mara, we are as come before a vetro.
Do blame it to go way up
Go find
cost of living gay.
And I'm going to party go pay as long as you're there for 1,000. I'm going to remember 1,001 year Jane.
105. 1,005 rand.
This is not puzzle. And then I go out, you know.
Who was it?
This is the girl, man. Marako, because I'm going to Ramanga Ravheka also. So I'll come back Ravheka Mandor. Eh, who goes to
any monova on it?
Kalevi, Ojoina, Nga, Candia, contact boyfriend, I mean, Maria Otiso. Ojoina.
Abakwamba urimini. Uri does warring is a woman.
Nah, I'm going to ring is. I love it. Artophone, all I'm to repair, because I told this other girl we're going to call her. Because
how about Ufi
Letitia.
Okay.
I think she's the one of who is there busy. Utongaini. No, I took a record.
No need to reference. What you're not scoring a base Rajudicha.
That comes in the Mukono, the Ozora beyond segment.
I'm going to 2 minutes.
Any 2 minutes, and I took 2 minutes.
Okay.
You get a number. Mpoko connector, you know. Don't phone about that. Not a what send a voice note. I know what's the
but they didn't have a unless I rent the chambers of the one necessarily at the bachelor of man to go bag.
You want to connect now?
No, Jan more on a phone. So, hey, how could I wait as to I come off? Hey, wait, rent it of Gavitori.
So, 1.5.
Because everyone was asking, Urban quit a mini Pitor of the wood. Utonga no school to ring is so.
Really? Mara, I as dure. Since I don't go on.
Yeah, because
you are not in tea flat in our nature, but Mara, who knows when you're going to Geneva could divide when you turn. So, like, maybe I don't
but 2.4. Don't there are Janine Zrenani, but there 1 point save. Hey, which one was no Suzinjes? That was Umbuda for the drama and of one got a cop. On a more could you rewa food.
Out your river.
Food, what a video. More than a life, so say it's like a apartment car and 20 car complexity. I've been go daily. Why need people and life is I'm not having life is on fair.
It's giving high school though. Hey, guys, phone younger.
Get on to go winner. But then I have a fool. Okay.
Ndiko shoot, honey.
The lady.
Manu.
Oh, damn.
Ndiko shoot. The phone. Just to agent Bday. Sharp. Hey. Did you resume? Wine can't get the one a man in India.
No, those goes Brazil, money to come meet.
Namzi umembu wine is got you now.
I guess that's no mapungo.
Yeah, Papa. What about this one? Okay, good.
Yeah, Ned.
I have a phone in you. Okay.
Hello.
Hello, what do you mean?
Ndiani ndikusange.
Letitia, ndi Kingsley, all and I'm phone and I'll call you Richiko shooter.
Okay.
All right, it's no ngamba. Au revoir.
Kele ndikunya kuvuwa je.
Avu abe right. I'm better than ti.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so if let's watch odropa. Bobi akarene.
Ivan.
Odropa ini. Move the no achito fedo tanto aite fmin. Ambe refone up. I don't go VendaContent. Hey, near the bar last week also. Unachima chenda poster something iti. Munga mtu awakori no reply ri mi anga wabona status wangana na mini. And then ni na watu njeo wakubutsori umtu wait why baby watch one status and then also you're like baba sa won until zino. Why ni chizumba antu status can't ka baby.
Runraj poster dzimwe mimu dzine hey.
Dani.
It's a blind bat.
I feel like
also it's not everything that they have to see, but now I don't care anymore. I used to feel like
what
okay,
changed?
Nothing. I'm just in a different era. I just don't care about a lot of things anymore. Like whether you are my aunt, whether you are my very strict uncle, you'll be strict that side, not here. If you don't want to see my stuff, you mute me or you block me. But at this point, everybody gets to see whatever. So to block it and then to tell you because everyone uncle, who everyone that has an uncle will block you. Everyone that has an aunt will block you. And then my mom too, my dad, my grandparents and everybody else. But now, adiwele.
Because
you've never blocked anyone.
No, I think I end up block at it. I was like, why, man? Then I block or and then I think they went to post something. Because I'm a check over the sign. And then they didn't react. Both of them.
React. So now I think my mom doesn't react anymore now because she's not sure if don't block a mistake and never comment because she'll block you. So she's just like so now she just is like right now everyone.
So I feel like just like you did point now that they know I post memes all the time and I didn't speaking so I'm just happy all the time if I want to viewer. So now I know okay my parents have accepted me like this.
Yeah.
So
no one knows who I know. Okay, Kana, if your parents know you drink, everybody else doesn't matter.
Exactly.
Whether it's your neighbors or whatever.
Yeah.
So Nana I'm also at that point where like now because of the show, we literally talk about everything here.
Exactly.
So Are Richie Ngakonoveya's 7,000. How about like
and do you know
parents at home?
What I always do with look at the trailer, there are those things now I'm like, hey, party and there's gonna be summer. So the GIO so that I know how they're gonna feel. Now videos are drop. Not that I'm gonna stop dropping it. At least what I want to
prepare mentally. Yes, this video is about to be crazy.
Hey, so there's our phone. Hey, so now I'm very watch camera. Hey, Muna will show it as you man. Yeah, Gonya Rubondo. So let's call it the what she has to say. Hey, why need that lamu? Hey,
Hello.
Letitia.
Hello.
Hey, okay, ndanya kutobudzisa ti like murova rojoina live mara rasa tovavona the whole background ya ndwaikotovagaya na mini. But the ones who skate were like interested because also automation of then one upon the Venda and then the time did you and the focus come of hey you could ring some movie hey Mono Fanam to 47 years I quite political Adam Buddha's and also Rone what before Cham Rone comes hey I was repaid I also had your voice note that's on the phone any state. Ashka Mazori Ravheka Uchimla Chavatur and Orana New Alistele Bunamini so hey Nyato for kuita mini ka Ravheka na veo.
Okay, ndikothoma mathomani kana ndikotomba phathi ya rone wa fhedzi.
Ngamba party dzoṱhe atori jip ri nga rwa ku 4 minutes ari na yena atori vhudza zwavhuḓi.
Okay, zwi tou ndi hezwi Ravheka o vha mungana wanga a tshi nyaga u ḓa Pretoria u vha a khou ḓa a khou tikela kha nṋe. Zwa zwino o ḓa ṅwedzi 30 a khou ri khou ḓo celebrate birthday yawe a khou ḓo ḓa dzula rumuni yanga. Nda ri ahuna thaidzo. A tshi swika after 2 days ndi mu ṱoḓele vhudzulo. Nda mu ṱoḓela a namba a ṱuwa nga vhudzulo ene u ḓo dzula rumuni yanga u ḓo ṱuwa nga December. U ḓo ṱoḓela rumu yawe nga January. Nda sa vhe na thaidzo nazwo. Nda sa vhe na thaidzo nazwo. Nṋe ḓuvha ḽe a vha khou ḓa ho vha hu dzi 30. Nda ndi khou ḓuvha ḽe a ḓa nda ndi khou tea u grocery nda badela rent nda badela rent fhedzi nda si renge grocery. Ngori nda ndi khou zwi ḓivha uri muthu a tshi swika ha nyagi u contributor tshithu ende ndi nga si dzule na muthu u bva zwino u swika December hu si na tshine a khou ita. A thi ri muthu u tea u renga muḓagasi kana nṋe na muḓagasi u khou tea u renga vhathu vhane nda dzula navho vha complain arali muthu a khou dzula a si khou na muḓagasi. Nda khou vhudza nda ri ri khou tea u contributor tshi renga zwiḽiwa a ntshe hafu ndi ntshe hafu ri renge grocery. A vha a sa ṱoḓi. Ndi hezwi nṋe ndi tshi mu sendela message nda ri ndi khou ṱuwa ndi khou ya North West for 2 weeks. Ndi khou ita uri a ṱuwe a fhindule uri stop lying mini mini kana a ri tshitaela tshanga tsho mu pandela rumuni yanga o no tshi ḓowela uri vhe tshi a ḓa ndi mu pandela ṱhoho arali ndi khou ya North West kha ndi muthihi na khwine. Nda vhona uri mini zwo tou baleliwa hezwi zwo mu pandela ngori ndi khou ya North West. Nga Saturday a vha a khou tea u bva na khwine vha khou tea u tshekana. Vha ri vho requester boys houḽa muthu wo mu requestaho nda muḓivha. Vha vha tshi na nṋe a vha khou thoma u amba nga ha nṋe. Khulisa a khou ita zwezwi zwo mu kaidza uri imani muthu no ḓa rumuni yawe ni tshi swika hu tshi rengiwa zwiḽiwa ni a renga. Ni tea u contributor thi uḽa ndi rumu yawe u badela rent kana na badelisa na rent hafu hafu ngori ni khou dzula miṅwedzi mivhili yoṱhe.
Zwi amba uri hezwi zwo lapfha ti izwo zwi vhe zwa swika afho uri he u khou rengisa muvhili zwa zwo bva gai hone kha life.
Zwa zwo tou bva hanefha uri nṋe ndo mbo ḓi ri u ḓuvha a tshi ḓa rumuni yanga ḓo ndo nga madokwana u vha a khou bva a khou ita zwa mavuswa a tshi vhe na dzi tshelede. Ndi hafho nṋe ndi tshi mu vhudza uri mini o rengisa muvhili u khou ita tshelede ḓuvha ḽa ndo only for 2000 kha i ṱoḓe rumu yawe. Ndi hafho ndi tshi tou mu sendela message ngori
2000.
Yo, okay.
Ndi hafho ḽeḽo ḓuvha tshi vha a khou nga vha kha Bolt nda dinalea nda mu sendela message nda ri khombela a ṱoḓe rumu yawe kana nda ri khombela a ṱuwe rumuni yanga ngori vhathu vhane nda dzula navho vha khou complain na landlord a tsha mu ṱoḓa. Ndi hafho a tshi thoma u mphindula nga maṱamba ulwa zwine nda vha ndo tou amba ndi zwezwo uri a ṱuwe rumuni yanga a thoma u mphindula nga maṱamba.
Ndi nnyi u pfha u khou tshina na sikomotabe hu na phathi nda pfha
Ndi nṋe na roṱhe vhuraru hashu nṋe naye na Khuliso ro dzhaiva na sikomota roṱhe. Zwino ene a tshi vho vhona uri o ya live kha TikTok o amba nga vho riṋe ri khou vha ṱoḓa ya live ya Instagram ri ambe ngayo u khou ri blackmailer uri u ḓo posta video zashu ri khou dzhaiva na sikomota.
Mara why
Nahone uri ene u fara vhugevhenga zwoṱhe nga Thohoyandou u ḓo uri ra tou ya live ri ḓo vuwa ri thuntshiwa zwa ita ntani vhane vhathu vha khou vha vhudza uri vha mu founele vha nthusedze na vha mbudze no nthuntsha nṋe vho mpfeinela ha vha uri o fha muthu number phone ane nṋe na muthu ri a ḓivha na number phone dzanga a tshi ri u kona ndi number phone dza muthu ane a vha nadzo. Hoyo muthu a mbo ḓi ri kha nṋe a ri matikonḓi vhone ni khou amba unga Ravheka nda ri hoyo muthu uri so na so ndi ni shushedze ndi ni vhudza uri na tou ya live so na so u ḓo nthuntsha na mini na zwoṱhe. Hu na iṅwe rekhodo ya vho sendela rekhodo ya Instagram ya vho sendela Eric a tshi ri ni vhudze havho uri vha tou ya live nga matsheloni 1 bullet what ni story zwezwo a ri nahone ri ḓo zwi vhona ḓuvha ḽa tsha ri nga si vuwe ri khou tshila mini 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 story zwezwo ya vha khou ri blackmailer ngazwo.
Zwino uyu noni wa khou pfufana na muthu wa 47 years ndi ene kana ndi Ravheka?
Ndi Khuliso.
Wait, Khuliso ndi wela khou amba ana boyfriend ya mulovha hu tshipfi mini kana a ri u khou dinalea na wa only fence ndi ene kana ndi Khuliso?
Wa only fence ndi nne.
Okay, zwi amba uri ene a nga si tsha u ita nthu u dzhenisela maṱo na nga tou mini ti
exactly ndi zwe nda mu vhudza nda ri nṋe ndi na dzi video Twitter yanga yoṱhe ndi dzi video dzanga dza OnlyFans ndi dzi video ndi khou live sasa ndi dzi video dzi content dzanga dza OnlyFans dzi a trenda na yene vha zwi vhona. Zwino u dzhaiva halwa na komota u khou pfha nga zwi ḓo ngita mini zwi nga si break zwi nga si ngite tshithu na tshithihi. utojaiva ari vari nasikomota arina zvitina chite zvine zvadongita ndina dzividhio dzaWest dzine dzatrenda nefamily yanga yadziona. It's not like sikomota ongipfara ongikisa ongita chito rotojaiva pedzi.
Ene angapfana nasikomota mara.
Ndakafana naye ove utojaiva nendo ndikubuya toilet ndawana ono yako jaiva naye ndaramba ndanani anjiye avakoiwa video naye Ravheka ndanani anjiye nani anjiya nakhuliso rote rajiwa video ile rote vuraro hacho.
Oh, okay. Hi. Nyakupisa something.
Hey, hi, ndicho shocked.
Oh, wait. Asa to what? I wanted to ask you also, ore abantu vanakofera Ravheka uko chimbira chezvipa ore orara navo vava Venda maceleb ndivapiwa ngandani ya Roneo ngoroneo uri asi zvone.
Roneo ukamboroneo onoyo.
Roneo episode vadzana.
Kufia zvone zvaroneo.
Roneo chira asi zvone.
Ene munhu ombudzo ndizvone namusira ninge top notch. Hauna chifhinga mina ndikoita ndicho katafaya yavo events ndichobvira kavo events ngondakobherodzwa naRavheka ndakobhera mupretended after ufa zvaiva kongamba akabolt wachikoyange ndichitoya kavo Ravheka ujarwa ndairadzwa navo events vava vahadha varonewa namusizana mumwe uchidzivurira ndimini naronewa lamusizana Ravheka achisvika ova kuita kunanga chomufarafara ronewa ndezvo events vachimukaidza atomukwata nendichiumira kaenda vanhu okwata achikonyagotira ronewa dhiramu ronewa odha una hola musidzana ane aridhivi ndimini naronewa
vewe notuwana Ravheka nchituwa kazi tonga ndovona achikutuwa nawo events ngandana musini ndisongotovona shapu tindanoneta ndana kope
achidhivi uri otuwa nanye otomotuwa khuliso atuwa nne ende munasira mara ovonofitavo ovofanira kutuwana muthu onofitavo wavomurengera haro ovorengerwa 12 yestropedzi nga muthu onofitavo arengerwa stropedzi 10 nga Fistos avo tiyotuwa natavo kana na Fistos ene mune ungarifika notuwa na Fistos
Fistos mini aime uri orengerwa mini nga Fistos za 10
za 10
akumrengerera mini
why akumurengera Fistos
Ravheka achibva otobva akoyeka Fistos ombudza uri chiava ri munhenga ovona postele ya Fistos afonera Fistos ari ndikonyagodha achiripegaudhaina mini vahamba ndisichazvitocheresa kolo ndaitendesa chaipfa
okay thank you ne zva OnlyFans domfolengo daratoama zvavuditi ratozvidiscuss dotozviambisana chidangeno
udaita interview yawe
alright sharp thank you amanda
sharp. What is going on in Venda?
Venda uko diva.
I'm ready to pick up another ways. Mapungo ndi manji guys.
Mumbura kuya washoma vetu.
Manji what?
Wala ngona zwinji naye ti. Yeah. Somebody top notch. Okay. Ezodzura ange munangoni vatu vodzura maswiswini ange. Atichaya noya.
Why?
Vatu vaita zvo maswiswini zvafana nesibona. Apende nondoera content.
Okay, no one. Who knows propose that time? Kuza dzarengera nenda dzando imabadi hapo.
Orengera Ravheka serengereni ngana wawe. Zamburi vami ushaka undiwa kuineka.
Ngana wawe. Makamuzobona uri net konwa istropezi ndasikonwa istropezi
exactly kamza Ravheka asina zonwa
ende nenda ndazikonwa istropezi
Sifano uri mwana jaka live video kuyo ndiko defender Fistos kazi comments amba difi no cause of mini kana afi Fistos ndara akwamba wayo ndari Fistos kwamba mpi mungadari veli amba dibisa zvezo kana
sejena kazo zvinezvo stodinne. But anyways, hey, any one of the Diambera, let's
yeah,
go.
So on to the next one too. Oh, I wanted to ask you, Ori, no nombra nga adoption. Nego abortion, I don't know why. No, like adoption.
Adoption.
Ori, do you think it's fair? I've always said this thought, even I'm at podcast to Thomas. Ori, is it fair for Ndimtumutsu. Say in the 9 year couple can give birth, or we just decide to adopt also. Rawana radoptangwana mtumukua. Do you think that thing is fair?
Kanye.
Kangwa no land adopt. Okay, I think it has both pros and cons. Because here's my thing too. With adoption, this idea already. This adoption, you need nive mwananga.
So you feel
you should feel like home, and you shouldn't have some doubts. Yeah. So the moment you know, already you know I know upon the. Now I feel as anya going to wuzanga watu ina banwa game then you just know okay. Apa siya ashu and all that.
Mara Jabatu batsi bobono baba ku adopta mkhuwa asifunisa zwithu.
Even if makuwa shiko adopta muthu mudzi. As long as the color is not the same of a kid you're trying to adopt.
And the makuwa bazifuna izlo.
Exactly. Do you know I'm saying this? And I don't know. No. Ya family makuwa ti. Unabana bararu. Two vantu vamakuwa na mti mutsuti. And then abana mu baby. And then that guy was baby. And he was like, guys, I've used to tell you, one of you is adopted. All I have to do is it Jack? Like, dude, it's you.
Look at yourself.
So this is already like it's so wrong, man. Adoption is nice if one or have a family and tomorrow.
I think it's unfair. Or already na physically as a belonging, do you understand, like appearance.
Exactly.
But then
and
the but then the problem, okay, but then eventually she was one like somehow neighbors are gonna talk and whatever, you're gonna find out unless I don't know to adopt to move to a different country. But ni pesa no juana. So ujuana the pesa no juana, but already now ni kwa ruani safani na bangwe. Already go treat you like really well. It might not really matter. You know, it might not really matter what you look like. Also, the problem is just you know, come comes to adopter. Then you know, but you never know. Sometimes you can't give birth. You adopt the first one, then you fall pregnant.
Yeah.
So then you adopt. But at the end of the day, I don't think it really matters as long as I don't think it's really much of an issue.
How would you feel if you don't give birth? If you can't,
it would hurt me.
You can't.
I love kids so much. I think it's time I try.
Yeah.
You trust them, boy. The way I love kids so much, it scares me. And even I'm full, sometimes because kids love me so much.
And that I just and there's that thing also baby. You never ask the guy or any fatally now. There's always that case also. Because you want them to ask a baby is the wife.
Yeah, and you're right, because I've seen cases where like the couple, they've been married for years and they don't have a kid. And I'm like, why? Because Nabiu ni ajeti and abansa baby, so exactly. I don't get it. Why is it always the woman? Because there's a lot of things that can happen. Gaman there's a futi ni west. Because I beka biwe jinga kosi wangori nichuko tamba ni mtu kono rayo na tamba bora ya ni whatever, and then that affects. I'm just saying, with you guys it's worse. With you guys it's worse. So for Rine who the process mara utu yoto mango mredo Rine, because why? Because women are always the victim. Mara chwenye gambo the feminists, so let me not say it.
Ha ini aran kwamba mbani ango fola mbaje so chaba na zifilter
uzira huko blame of makazi kachungona chingo. If the marriage doesn't work out, mfumakazi yango konderera enough. If mwana aba ku fail chikoloni, you okay kana mwana asko badabadaba nje kama dune unamena kozi. No, the mother didn't raise her well. It's like wamuna uzokoba chifanyi, so he's just a provider. Oimatungo mararichiri banaka be provider na funa. No, we don't want to do it. And you do a 50-50 matter. When anything goes wrong in the house, it's the woman. The woman has to face it. Yeah. So yeah, and then never unabanji baby unsa baby. I don't know why she's roses warine.
Yeah, that's the thing. Also,
okay.
And then so there's also was it this week? There's this case cyber bullying no kwete ka Instagram. Yeah, I mean the hottest teacher. Hottest teacher what? People know her.
Kula wa Dikeve.
Nah. No, not wa Venda. Ila chorenga
benzi. Yeah. Ufi anymore something.
Yeah, I'm going there anymore. So that kid, apparently she's bullying this other girl on Ufi. She 10 million. I don't know Rindo any other guy.
Oh, bula mwana. I mean.
okay uyanga the response ti then buzor orimini because if I feel no watu waponga usipara asunaka jamurufa angunaka.
She said it.
Yeah.
Oh,
yes, this thing in the water. Wala wala kuluki what. Apchi watu wale wala video ka TikTok. Acho kwamba like alive. Akamba nimubuzo la mtu net do dala mutura be.
Dala mutura.
Tura gului.
Really? Azumu faneri, eh?
Oh, so funny nani?
No, like she looks like she's classy and all that. I can't personally now. This now guru. I can't imagine myself going live because it's just so ghetto.
Don't try to move for this. I get it. And
she's a brand also. And she's a brand.
Yeah, so, yeah, she is a
brand. Do you
brand.
understand? What rengisa zvitu ndonozvibona zvo brand ozvirinazo. Like that's under animal now. That's how I know her.
Yeah, so that girl wakubelieve. She was like, I'm gonna take action mini upizroiso anaka it is the board down the education. Nduri report wa cover education
because she's a teacher.
Yeah. So uko wisa chirunzi
chavadededzi because ufi the hottest teacher 40 words.
Damn. Next woman she's the hottest car driver chava teacher.
What if I'm
angabere cash? No, she's working, so probably installments also. We don't
also
know.
It's America.
As in Bday,
Polo after.
Actually, we're supposed to shoot Richa Venda kumshuta, so she will tell us this whole thing.
Can explain it. We really want to know.
Hey.
Yo, Mara just bullying already, guys. You know, actually.
Have you ever been bullied though? Online?
No.
Offline?
No. Just primary. It wasn't bullying because nothing that could you get it.
Yeah.
But it's so funny because we actually spoke about bullying yesterday. Capricorn, you know, Collins works for Capricorn, so he asked us questions or and phone and answer whatever. So the question was, how do you deal with people that comment? But you never comment on weight gain. For what kind of I'm sure it's not a lot.
Yeah.
Just with an intention you only hurt her. Do you understand? And then the question was, how do you
know that's the intention? You only hurt.
Because what else do you want to do?
Come to Kanazim if Ndamuzoro.
No, the Kori Kabios Nasongo because we want to gain is like physique, how you look, you gained, you lost. It's always about that. You lose weight, you're sick.
How did you
gain weight?
That's come back alive, bro.
What is your
the
contraceptive.
No, not the contraceptive. I think Toto can gain it. Hey,
okay, maybe.
Oh, Marna's contraceptive if it's apparently.
Yes, apparently the skin like na sometimes there is a skin channel.
Oh no, nay.
No, let me tell you.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
But if there's one thing that you open the I don't think I'll ever do it now before I have a kid. Because I told you I love kids so much. So it would hurt me, Uri, because of something I did.
Yeah.
Imagine if he non to affect her, what can I injection of which I'm not against it. My friend is a nurse. Funi has given me like a list of things that I can use and whatever, but I was like, no, let me go have kids. When I'm done, then I'll go in. I need. Because, okay, if I fall pregnant now, I'm going to have a baby because, why not?
Are you ready? You said you're not ready, right?
No, but if it happens now, I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to keep it. Why did you go to 25? When would I? If I was 14.
Oh, okay. So 15 you would keep it.
15 is like grade 11. Yeah. Oh, Robana to grade 9, so why not? Might as well. But yeah, bullying is just in the intention to me.
Or maybe there's already no much bomba. Maybe it's Vanaka language.
You and then there's no gainers. You couldn't say meaning. Now there's no gainer. It's just like so unnecessary. But anyways, yeah, I'm by none good me.
I think that it and Nando paid up. Oh, I wanted to remember the last time Roy Rambang or Fimini Mphephu resort. You go Fimin. So what happened is that and una snap. So it's been a while also. It's because they prepare probably episode 12. So all I'm talking about central prep. I'm like, who's doing all these things after and what our community? I mean. So I'm like, this other guy who we need to so I wanna know why I could tell us was there. So I wanna know Uri, is this guy
Is
doing
it
this by
coming back?
himself?
Also, is Mphephu Resort coming back as Mphephu Resort, or they just clearing it
Yeah,
out?
maybe.
Yeah.
Such things. For me. So while we wait on him, T, to call T, how do you feel about the visa-free countries?
I love it.
Because you can... Wait, what do you need if it's a visa-free? You just need a passport.
Yeah, and then you book a flight and you're out.
I don't even have one.
A passport? Why? I get on one passport.
I don't think I'll...
That's
ready.
Get a passport. I've been on the Boros go decide require camping, require camp Zimbabwe, so. In the manner, oh guys, I don't have a passport.
Zimbabwe banana, you know, Marabapan.
What about Bambela? Are you gonna swim?
Damn, that's the problem. I don't know Bambela. Yeah,
that's the thing.
So
you need it, man. You need it. Come on, where's the passport? So now I think Zoitu are Ghana na guy umwe.
Na Kenya and Rwanda also. Enda.
Hello.
Ndima siare.
Nda.
Wotwa.
Audi.
Wakamba na tanganedzani hapo ni ubva ka Black Couch podcast. Ndopo number phone dzavo nga mumwe mutanga ndofa chifako shuma bdinga manda hapo Venda. So ranya kubusa zimuso nyana. Maerana na Mphephu. Na Mphephu Resort. Maerana na Mphephu Resort.
Ndikwamba na nye kame.
Ndakamba na Kingsley Mudau ubva ka the Black Couch podcast.
Okay.
Arali vho vhulwa nga continue ramba.
No uthanda.
Okay, ndo vhona zwinepe zwiko circulate hapa ka social media. Vari?
Baba kawatomphole nga call ngori WhatsApp u ḓo dzhena call zwino dza disturb call.
Okay, avara ndi vafonele nga call. Ndi ḓa vhafonela nga nomboro ya different nyana.
No uthanda.
Nda.
You sound so serious.
What's up under the call? Ufunga jena call zwino.
Sounds so serious.
What are you trying to say? Let me get this man. You want to call that mafungo?
No, it's not good. I'm trying to go bora ini.
I'm just gonna call him gantu. Ane panga.
Yeah.
No mic. Can't any time.
You have less than.
No.
Okay.
Enda.
Hello.
Ndori ndiuye murawo saizvi ro vari kuamba nepa zvino ngotavanya. Ndobona vachikuita mushumo nge ndikamba navo Richard ti ndisati ndibvere kagara kamusi ndikamba na mtu warongo vopatichedza.
Avambe vape chana chifani.
Chifani tungo chipiwa ndosiko zofi ndikamba navo patichedzo Richard afi ufiva vizofi nyika nanga ngei.
Ngofindu vizofi.
Tole akwelo dzina. Mwene madhivi anga lepiyo zvabude bude.
Ndandidhivi ndidhizori vanhu vakuambidza.
Okay, aranda lumra ndoliam. Mana yotovusa ndofa chifiva kuita so clean apo figa Mphephu Resort okovusa vusiwa saizvi dzibege dzopira rovona uchinga asungotodzura nga ndira yone. So ranyoro dhivo uri ula mushimoni vakoita sa community kana vakutusana na muvuso ona.
Rokotoita sa community resina tuso baka muvuso.
And then why vo decide uita izvo zvithu ngavone vane?
Ndinga uri rikutsireledza zviko zvashu ngauri rikuhamba ngapethu hune.
What happened? Did he put you on hold?
No, vakadhimfa.
Wana na dzilaki dzashu hanepa.
Yava ikokatanyana vava chikore vakotudza zvikore.
Network is just bad.
Wait and marwaro kutudza zvikono zvipfamisa. No, adzodite ndivafune futi.
Mini. Ndikombori.
Zamani vafuna ngafoni yana.
Ndi njerere hauna network zvikojenera zviko data myangori mine.
And let me try him for the one last time.
Dzinjerere ngi.
Hey. Oh. Emthanga athi kwenda zotamba kuyapha.
Thusa zwi. Muna tikwita the podcast.
Hello. Ndani uyachikokata kati ndasichapfa zvavudi.
Ndikouda.
ri khou amba uri tsho ri motivata uri ri ḓe ri vusuludze kha nga maanḓa ndi fhethu ha vhufa na zwiko zwa minerale ende zwi amba u vha vho riṋe sa vhavenḓa.
Yeah. Zwino arali vha ri vho ravha no vusuludza masipala zwo ri havho fhedza vhathu rine ri nga ya ra u claima zwino vha ḓo to zwi itisani?
A si fhethu ha masipala ndi fhethu ha LEDED kana Department of Local Economic Development.
Oh, so iyo department ya zwiḓivha uri hu na vhathu vho no khou shuma zwino vhane vha khou thusa kana a vhaho khazwo navho vho to lindela u tshi fhedziwa vha kona u ḓa vha i claima murahu navho?
Department ya zwiḓivha ndi ngazwo vho ya vha appointa na service provider wa security ane kha hoyo service provider o dovha a thola vhathu vha rathi vhane vha khou volunteer u shuma hanefho.
Oh, okay.
Vha dovha vha ri fha na muthu wa department ane ri vha ri khou shuma ri naye. Zwi amba zwo ri already vha ya zwiḓivha ri na mimeledza ye ra ri khou dzi rumela ofisini ya MEC. Ro zwi ita ri nayo MEC ya sumbedza u appreciate photo dzine ra khou dzi ita. Fhedzi ro vha vhudza zwa uri ngauri vho no zwi vhona uri riṋe sa community ro takutshedza kha vha ḓe vha dzule na riṋe fhasi vha ri ambe uri u ya phanḓa ri nga hu itisa hu nga vuwa nga nḓila ḓe hone vhathu vha re hone vha benefitisa hani ngori vho no thoma ngori issue khulwane ndi ya uri ro vha ri khou i tsireledza kha uri i songo rengiseliwa muthu kha vhe wone muvhuso une wa isa phanḓa sa zwine ri khou vhona dziṅwe dza dzi wildlife dza vha dzi khou dzi tshimbidza zwone u fana na hanengei vho Vilavila vho hanengei vho Musina dzi hone dzi khou dzi tshimbila hedzo dzi wildlife.
Okay. Jambo uri nga December vha no plan uri ambizo nga vho no vula arali vho no fhedza u shuma vhathu vha ḓiphina hone vha humbula cause abendi hone fhethu ri tshi tambela hone ri kwa aluwa hafho fhethu.
Leri nga December a huna zwiṅwe i ḓo vha i si Mphephu i si Mphire ri tshi khou ri ḓo vha ri hafha hone ri tshi khou ri vhathu vhoṱhe vhadzulapo vhoṱhe vha vhuponi ha Vhembe na nnḓa ha Vhembe kha vha ḓe vha vhone vhufa hashu vha ḓe vha ḓiphine nga zwine riṋe sa community ra ḓo vha ro vha itela zwone kana ro vusuludza rezoto yavho sa zwe tshiṅwe tshiyambi tsho fhira tsha zwi amba uri zwi nga vha hani musi ri no vha na dzi rezoto dzavho riṋe fhano vha ngeno vha tshi khou vhona lwanzhi ngei Durban vha Durban vho vha khou ḓo vhona vho maḓi ofisa ngeno ane ha ngo dubedziwa kana ha ngo shuma khuni yo kuṱedza kana muḓagasi a khou tou bva fhasi a tshi khou fhisa lune na riṋe vho ra ḓi itela vhufa hashu ri a kona u kunga vho mashango a kulevho vha ḓe vha vhone uri zwi ḓa hani ri na maḓi ofisa ane ha ngo dubedziwa.
Ndi mafhungo a vhuḓi a zwi amba uri ḓo vha ri haningei nga December vhone zwino vha ḓo badela no tshi dzheniwa nga December kana vha khou pfha uri ndo no ḓi thusa fhaḽa na fhaḽa.
Muthu ane a vha khou vha hone riṋe ri vha khou shuma hanefha ndi tou vha mushumi zwi amba zwa uri mushumu wa hafho fhethu ha badeli zwine zwone zwo ri badelisa vhe vhane na khou ḓa uri zwi ri ṱuṱuwedze riṋe sa vhashumi vhane ra khou shuma hafha uri ri dzule ri khou khipha uri hu dzule hu clean hu dzule hu khou maintainiwa. Fhano musi ndi tshi khou amba a thi ndoṱhe ndi na vhoratisani vhane ri khou dzi shumisana sa management hanefha vhane ndi navho hanefha tsini musi ri tshi khou amba ri khou ḓivha hanefha Mphephu resort vha tshi khou amba na riṋe hu khou shumiwa ri tshi khou amba kha vha ka vha fare vha mena
Lakovela.
Nda vho ṱwa
Nda ṱwa nga murofha haningei.
Rine ro ṱwa ri tou ri pululedze mushumo wavhuḓi na vhathu vha khou ita afho Mphephu resort ngoho.
Ndi vhoratisani vha Mphephu ndi khou amba navho nnyi.
Vha khou amba na Kingsley Mudau wa the Black Couch podcast.
Vha ri wa gai?
Wa Black Couch vhone vha muyani zwino muṅwe na muṅwe ḓo vha khou vha pfa nga Friday uri havha muthu ngoho vha khou ita zwo shuma mushumo wavhuḓi nga maanḓa afho Mphephu resort.
Nṋe ri khou ri December a huna hu hune vha khou tea u hatula hone dzi camp chair dzavho vho ḓigeḓa vho paka na dzigoloi dzavho mirunzini na vhone vha murunzini.
Nṋe ndi ḓo vha ndi henefho ndi ḓo tou founela vhone straight ndi tshi swika nda ḓivha uri murunzi wanga vha ḓo mbetshela.
Hafhanoni ndi uri ndi nga vha vhetshela kana vha tou ḓinangela ngauri mirunzi yo ḓalesa a vha nga ḓo vhuya vha lwedza na muthu brass stand ndi dzi brass stand vha tou funa zwo ri vha gotsha gai.
Venḓa u khou ḓifha mani i December a ḓo vha ri henefho zwavho vhone.
Ndi khou vha vhudza uri mirunzi ine vha ḓo vha vho ḓigeḓa khayo vho awela khayo hu ḓo ri goloi yavho yo paka murunzini vhone vhane vha vho dzula vha murunzini vha vha khou gotsha vha murunzini.
Ri khou tou ṱoka mirunzi.
Mabambeloni vha ḓa vha khou dudeliwa vha nga ngomu mabambeloni nga maḓi ane a ri nga thoma ra pulaka huṅwe fhethu.
ndi zwavhuḓi nga maanḓa zwine wa khou ita ri khou zwi livhuisa nga maanḓa sa vhathu vha vhavenḓa ra bere ri ṱongisa nga zwithu zwa so
ri khou ri vho vhathu hezwi vhaṅwe vha tshi khou ṱuwa vha tshi khou ya haningei vho Cape Town na vha Cape Town vhone vha vhe vha tshi khou ṱanga lwendo vha tshi khou ḓa ngeno
u ḓo thoma rine vha hayani vha Cape Town vha sathu swika vha ḓo wana ro no rwanya na maḓi ro no bva u dudela
a khou vhona zwinyama zwi khou fanela u tambiwa nga vhathu vha hayani vha Cape Town vha sa ḓo tamba zwinyama vhone kha vha vhono tamba tshinyama tshavho tsho no bva kale nga maḓi ane a ringo ra fula kana mudagasi wa muthu
ya zwa vhukuma ro livhuwa nga maanḓa ti na tou ri vha phululedze kha mushumo une wa khou ita ndi wavhuḓi nga maanḓa ndi a kholwa na vhathu vha vhavenḓa vho takala nga zwine vha khou vhona
ri khou livhuwa ṱhuṱhuwedzo ngafho ri khou pfa ri khou zwi livhuwesa u tou founeliwa ri khou nyaga u tou ṱuṱuwedziwa zwi ri ṋea kharedzhi na uri ri songo nyama na musi ri tshi vuwa ri tshi ḓa fhano naho ri khou ḓa ri sina na ri tshi tou vha na vhuṱanzi uri a ri nga ḓuvha ra i wana na peni wo fhela ṅwedzi wo vhege fhelaho mara ḓuvha ḽe wa fhela ra ri hanefha ḓo zwo ri khou ḓo bva ra sa hole ra dovha ra vhuya ro vhuya futhi a ri nga holi mara ri khou dzhena fhasi ende ri khou vhona uri ri ḓe na tshikhafu thini ri khou vhona zwo ri ṱerefela uri ri swikisa hani hafha
ṱhaṅwe muṅwe wa vhathetshelesi henefha vha ḓo ḓi zwi pfha vha ḓa vha thusa nga hone vha nga konaho ri tenda vha tshi ḓo uri vha ḓo thoma vhudza rine ri ḓo vhudza uri havhoni kha vho amba na vho nyinyi vhoṱhe vho vha lindela haningei Mphephu resort
ri khou livhuwa ṱhuṱhuwedzo ngafho ubva musumbuluwo u swika ḽavhuṱanu 8 u swika 4 o'clock
ri hanefha lunch ndi vho 1 hafha
lunch ndi 1
okay ahuna thaidzo ro livhuwa nga maanḓa nda yeah Venda ushumi guys.
Remember we spoke about it? That was second episode, right?
Probably 7th, somewhere around there, before 10 though.
Mara, that's amazing, man.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Pakushimela shango abananda uri ukubadilwa kana mini.
Ni dovani kugocha ni murunzini.
Murunzini. Na ini nodzura murunzini.
What are you saying? Come on, guys.
Murunzini pam guys.
Guys. I didn't know. I don't know ngozoro madya gepe to hadudezi we abashto ba mini ndando zyangu.
Eti tu ya bensongwa.
Oh, yeah. You were very young.
I was never young. I just didn't go.
I know. I was just being sarcastic.
Yeah.
But anyways.
What's next?
Yo.
Oh, okay. Some of the things do jamba next week. So yeah, some of the things I want to touch now too. So I was actually thinking of Venda. Remember chamba mrauri we need to wait, let me check something. Yeah, so then we spoke about Venda as an industry like this entertainment chimwe chikuita Venda but so I was actually thinking this other time okay now I'm into media in as much as good but I actually enjoy it and there are people they can be doing the content Venda like there's people like you as well if it didn't have Vapi should have been far also in terms of YouTube.
Oh yeah, YouTube.
And then there's one Mpo also because Mpo, I think I don't push out. I did how long I've been pushing Mpo. What then on him call? Like Mpo for now push a YouTube channel ya tech. Yale attach wange pass.
Let's we video vlore how to
Mpo can access anything. Even the iPhone Mpo can get access. No so ratambara kwenye iPhone 15. Angabi na machiro rashuta ruifara so you can always do that. I don't have a review and so you don't have to be perfect to do all those things. Just to batwa kwita nthu whether you ngozitanga Venda kana however if nimtu from Venda but Venda do the world I feel like also like comes of Venda there's this thing yori bantu opore chimwe chaba chafi subscribe they think of money some of them so but is all the mentality but then okay Venda ringa pushana I don't know some of the content like there's
it's not even about money bruh.
There's woman nami Gracie she also does the vlog and so Kereke can't also this other girl Tembise Picona also she also does that so Kereke and who else do I know on YouTube?
You should be that Mara now that we speaking of them
yeah but then imagine if there were more of those people who can't and
if you the thing is the focus if you put in the work you see a person like Owami you know Owami remember how she started it was just look at her now. It was just gossip. She was just shooting.
Exactly.
Now, how many segments does she have now? She's even being invited Kadzingwe. So she's become so big and she
something like that. Because a lot of the only consider
no charger. Yo.
Exactly. So mpondi nani ufuna nikuite zvitu na mina. So yeah, feel like guys, let's have content creators zakuma Venda. Retova that retova the event is content man.
Yeah,
Content creators.
you know what I'm saying? Because we do have a lot of them this side. Why about event as YouTuber?
So imagine if we could have that at home.
Okay, I have to find a way. I don't know. Did the one?
Okay, and then there are some people whom I think they can be content creators also. Okay, Mpondo Mwambo ne wa take. They say that guy on film a cartoon or repost a bad.
Wait a minute.
I don't know what it has, Mara. Often I'm on those vlog. And then here's the thing, work of vlog is the car Instagram it. So that's why they're nice and all that. There's quality. Mara, what are you getting out of that? Nothing. Not to run for my YouTube, but at least you're gonna get few little sense.
YouTube, but the one that you interviewed, I still don't want to interview Charlene.
Hey, YouTube.
Oh, I love her Instagram videos too.
Yeah. So now YouTube I was like now Orokunya go na niche because she's gonna move out of varsity because of Peza. So she has to find another niche. And then she continues.
No. Her Instagram is if you see her content, it's very simple content, but it's
exactly.
Like she doesn't even have to edit out the part where she puts the phone. Like she just puts it down and does whatever and just posts it as it is. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Mporda manairichi chaisa.
Yeah.
Mkona.
I'm gonna guy. Dambana zvino ne for kawe serasi. Vomarabi kawe serasi.
Anyways, yeah.
Yeah, so what else? Oh, Ravana Shinga ka video last and Charlene, this very same Charlene you were talking about. Or comment or hey, gigs of Venda so Darius and those corner I mean.
Oh yeah.
So I was like, hey, Venda.
We need to because obviously I don't do kona zote.
I saw some gigs also. Na ngwenda and
Na marriage na ndikotiyo jena Ravheka nditiyo jena na stropes za 10 and go busy. Let's make it 12. Let's make it 2 packs once. I know I'll be fine. 12 na habli.
Mbili za zia guys. Ambo mbili chow na Fistos.
Zo waguro inizikutitiyo.
Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah. Kana zo jiwanga bio.
No stropes bio.
Oh okay.
It's gay.
So skomoto no stropes.
Akwenda so. Mara chatu majizna haro. Ngosupo kubala.
Nakubudza mpori. Skomoto achida. Dasala mtane ngwana odibuzore na sitting rasi chikolo kana bando.
Hai, chaza tu shereri, chaza tu fara baji.
Chiwa chito fara baji. Kitten tao.
Tao yeah. Chamara banda lo drop ruku. And I'm just like
yeah, so all I'm telling you, I was checking like the gigs I want Venda and so I was like, this is the way in the phone anyway. I'm trying to come advertiser a gigi.
Yeah, guy.
Yeah, figure. Shuma Park. Don't know how much if you mean. And not Venda did them. And I'm the rates. I was like, hey, it's nice call. So I'm like, you know what, it's fine, man. Gigi over on if you are they are next week. I'll remember it. And then there's also, sister, yeah, India mketu, right? Mkomana wakako.
Yeah.
Hey, so India they are empowering women also. So those has refreshments and all the speakers.
Bonus sendera yone.
That's in Ranga Awizi, the god.
Oh, Awizi.
That guy's got content for days, bro. Quality.
Aesthetic yaone.
Yeah, quality.
Yeah, that guy's good. That guy is good. I really loved their wedding video as well. Like it wasn't, I don't know, man. It was just, and it didn't look expensive. It looked like I don't know. I think bato kononanga.
Did you see the wedding happened in a farm, too? So this
the blessing utoma yetu wapetu dakani and it was amazing.
This event also you get timonu findiga.
Ndibona void chinepe.
I think they saw it somewhere.
Everything about them is so simple but beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then you bring the dates.
Just 17th of December. It's just happening in a farm. So they're gonna provide transport all those things for you guys. They're gonna do it. And then what else?
As long as I was a copy, guys, family, because ndo ibonela set up in that way.
Nah, maybe they'll do something and
yeah, please. If they can do that, then we sorted.
And then also abana thing. Ndobona imwe ya musina tiba tibara reming azo tando page. So there's a gig ya musina femini.
Is it their force?
I think because Drubango hone.
Yeah, the force.
Drubang capable boys hone, and then there's also the Majesty now they hone. So like there's a lot.
The Majesty.
Black Zina, King.
Yeah.
So if that and now wanna post all attach it here, and then also Kazunoko drop. Yeah. No fun to understand as
Yeah, mahua.
Guys,
That song is amazing.
Like what are you mondo to the digital file clip ya 30 seconds. I'm like look at DG. I'm like dude, internet tracking with I to master me.
Guys, I don't know if I can see. Who's do you know
Oh, there's Ogorepa Vini. Rachana.
No sweep for Kotiana Hona Palango.
Racha. Na JR play.
Oh yes,
I wrote Mara.
I'm married dope. I don't care.
Like a bull boys, the Uber Black, the G featuring Fistosvalley also abe. And then now Umpo L and Mphephu one too. Top notch. Norufa.
Mphephu Garoliziwa.
Both.
Don't go.
Rotomara Mphephu I'm going to DJ that read.
The guy. Because there's a lot that happened on Saturday. Let a cut.
And then also, Fistos will drop a music video.
When?
What that is on Friday.
Okay.
It's dropping, guys. I don't know. It will drop before a video. It drop on. I'm even starting to and come on a video. Just know. Such an Fistosvalley in the one. So don't be so fade, man. What besides the music video?
I got the 2 electro, but come for us, you know.
Anyway, hey, what else? We're going on foot. I'm forgetting something.
What are you forgetting?
I don't think we're forgetting something. So, like, yeah, that's it, guys. Producer will name Mankar. Hey, walk with and go visa.
Producer. Not go for funny enough, Namus.
Okay.
Don't change
Oh.
Don't change into body wash. I think Leon.
Bye, guys.